Hello kids, I built Manhattan. So Manhattan in the one of the most famous in the world, and it was a most popular, and it's World Trade Center this area. So yeah, and first of all I need M. Okay, so I found M. So let's see, and Manhattan I need A. Okay, I found this letter MAN. Okay, I need N. So let's see, I just searching this letter. Okay, I found this letter, and MAN, man, Hatan. H, I need H. Okay, so again I searching this letter. Okay, I found H. Okay, so MAN, H, A, I need again A. So let's see, and okay, GEUZTNSP, but where MANHA again. Okay, I just found this letter A. Okay, so MANHA, so I need T. So let's see, SSINT. Okay, I found T. And okay, MAN, ACT, I need again T. So let's see, and ESPKNZEHO and T. So let's see, and okay, so I adjust again T. So I properly man, man, A say double T, I need again A. So let's see, I just again searching COGEHR. Okay, again I just found A. So wait, I just adjust A. So MANHAMANHA I need N. Then properly I build Manhattan. So yeah, I need N, Manhattan. So UEGHLSZUFI, again I COLDSOD. Okay, I finally found this letter, and I properly built Manhattan. Manhattan. Man, ACTTAN. Manhattan. Manhattan. It was a New York City. So it was a most famous city in Times Square, Manhattan Street, and World Trade Center. So you comment your favorite place or name, and favorite president name. Then I build this name. Okay. So thank you so much.